One thing that I did also want to cover today is a bit of a sneak peek, and it's looking out to what's new in the SolidWorks 2025 release. And as I was practicing for this, I think they might have actually snuck it into the latest update over this last weekend because it seems to be now appearing in my 2024 installation. So you might actually have early access to this feature as of the update over the weekend to FDO4 or Service Pack 4. Now, that will require me to jump back into actually SolidWorks 2024. I have this component open here, same component. And we had talked about how you can go into the cut list from the SolidWorks feature manager. Now, if I go in and right click, edit properties, like I mentioned, you can go through and add that custom property. Let's say manufacturing type, and let's say this component is water jet. Now, let's say I wanted to apply that to a number of different items in this cut list. Prior to that would require me to go through and either copy and paste it or retype it for each individual cut list item. Smaller weldments, not that big of a deal. As you start to get into bigger weldments, having to carry on that type of information can become very tedious, very time consuming, and prone to error. Because if you need it to stay consistent and you want to go through and check each one, then you have to go and update each one, etc. Now, possibly as of Service Pack 4, and why I say possibly is I do have early release of 2025 installed, so there's a chance it might have affected my 2024 installation, but I did have Tom verify, and he also had this, so you may also have access to this. If I highlight this row, I have this copy to button that's available, and I can choose to copy to all of the items on the cut list or to specific cut list items where I can just start control selecting all of the items that I want that copied to and select OK. And now if I start going through, you'll see that it didn't copy it there, but it did copy it here. And so you don't have to go through and manually copy that to each one. And that goes through and makes it very efficient to go through and carry on properties that might be similar between multiple different cut list items on your cut list, on your weldment, and make that more efficient, streamlined for you. That's the tip of the day.